Selamat siang, perkenalkan nama saya Rio Zeni Mandraguna. Saya merupakan mahasiswa PPG Angkatan Kedua tahun 2020 di LPTK Universitas Muhammadiyah Makassar. Pada tanggal 23 November 2020, saya melakukan perekaman video ini pada pukul 13 waktu Indonesia Barat. Apakah suara Bapak terdengar jelas?
Jelas, Pak.
Oke, baik, kita mulai pelajarannya ya. Hello students.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
I'm fine too, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, before we start the lesson, let's pray to Allah together by saying Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Apakah gambarnya terlihat? Oke. Apakah suara Bapak masih terdengar jelas?
Jelas.
Oke. Now, please check your attendance in Google Classroom or you can visit this link. Jadi, silakan absen ya di link tersebut atau di Google Classroom. And then after you check your attendance, please come back to here ya. Kembali ke Google Meet, oke?
Okay.
Ya.
A few moments later.
Any students absent today? Apakah ada yang tidak hadir hari ini?
Irfan and Lucky, Pak. Penyerusap. Sukma, Sir. Isik, Sir.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I hope Sukma get well soon. And then Nuki and Irfan can buy new handphone. So all of you today must keep your spirit to study in pandemic area. Okay?
Okay.
Do you still remember about the material in the last meeting?
Misir,
Okay, please, Kolipa.
this text about definition of descriptive text in analyze it.
Okay, good. Okay, Kolipa, this is for you.
Thank you.
Who can explain me what is descriptive text? Okay, please, Ganesh.
Descriptive text is a text which is what a person thing is like.
Okay, wow, excellent, very good.
Hello.
This is for you, Ganesh. Now, who can explain me about generic structure of descriptive text?
Misir,
Okay, Putri, please.
I think it's identification and description.
Nice, Putri, good. This is for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, please take a look in this picture. Which tourist attraction do you think is the best of the two? Okay,
Miss Ria.
Dewi. Okay, Dewi, please.
I think Borobudur Temple here
Why?
because I think Borobudur Temple has more beautiful scenery.
Wow. How about the others?
Mister,
Okay, please, Ganesh.
I think the Prambanan has more beautiful scenery.
Okay, I think both of them have a beautiful scenery too. So, what will we learn? We will learn about comparing the social function, generic structure, and language features of descriptive text and arrange the descriptive text. The purpose of study. Jadi tujuan pembelajarannya adalah comparing social function, generic structure, and language features of descriptive text related to tourist attraction and famous historical building from two dialogues descriptive text with accuracy. Ya, jadi membandingkan fungsi sosial, ya struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan dari teks deskriptif ya tentang tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah ya dari dua dialog dengan tepat. Kemudian arrange a dialogue of descriptive text related to famous tourist attraction and historical buildings from one of the example of descriptive text dialogues with accuracy. Jadi menyusun sebuah dialog descriptive text ya mengenai tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah dari salah satu contoh percakapan dengan tepat ya. Find social function, generic structure, and language features from descriptive text related to tourist attraction and famous historical buildings from two dialogues descriptive text with accuracy. Jadi menemukan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, kemudian unsur kebahasaan dari tes deskriptif ya mengenai tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah. Kemudian yang terakhir adalah demonstrate a dialogue of descriptive text related tourist attraction and famous historical buildings from one of the dialogue the example of descriptive text with accuracy. Jadi mendemonstrasikan sebuah dialog ya teks deskripsi mengenai tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah dari salah satu dialog teks deskripsi. Benefit of study. Jadi, keuntungannya kalian belajar pada pembelajaran kali ini adalah to compare the social function, generic structure, and language features of descriptive text. Jadi, kalian nanti bisa akan membandingkan ya fungsi-fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan daripada teks deskriptif. Gitu ya. Dan keuntungan lainnya adalah to arrange a dialogue of descriptive text. Jadi pada pembelajaran kali ini kalian bisa menyusun sebuah dialog dari teks deskriptif. Nah, ini outline of learning. Jadi ini adalah garis besar dari pembelajaran kita kali ini. Yang pertama itu nanti kalian find social function, generic structure, and language features from descriptive text. Setelah itu kalian membandingkan, comparing, ya, kemudian menyusun, arrange, kemudian kalian mendemonstrasikan sebuah dialog itu. Social function of descriptive text, ya, jadi fungsi sosialnya adalah untuk menggambarkan seseorang, ya, benda ataupun tempat secara spesifik. Kemudian generic structure of descriptive text, they are identification, description. Language features of descriptive text, specific participant, the use of the adjective to clarify the noun, the use of simple present tense, and the last is action verb. Now, please pay attention in these videos.
Russia. Wow.
Wow, very complicated, isn't it?
Yeah.
What about this place?
Amazing. Wow.
Maybe
Wow.
except the bottle.
We have some batu. Oh.
Favorite place. At the temple, right? Temple? Yeah, with the holy water? Yeah. Okay, in Russian, now, how about the weather now in Russian?
Winter.
That's why you come to about 10 degrees below.
So where do you stay? In Busan?
Yeah, it's the south.
Oh, you're here. Oh, okay. Are you alone?
No,
Oh,
I'm
with friends?
friends.
Oh.
Okay, where is your
Who's your
friend?
friend?
My friend's doing yoga now.
Yoga. Oh.
You don't join the yoga now?
I also doing yoga, but I have already done it.
Oh, okay.
My practice for today.
Okay.
How long will you stay in Bali?
Half a month.
Couple months. Oh, wow.
They understand.
And maybe like, what do you do in Russia? Do you like your job?
Oh,
Oh,
you're the
wow! Master of
Yeah.
yoga teacher.
Is yoga popular in your country? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Not people come to Bali, not but
Moscow is the capital of
Oh,
Russia.
that's
Okay.
How long have you been doing it? Actually, yoga teacher.
More than 1 year?
2.5 years.
Where did you learn? From Bali? No. You're Russian? Oh. Okay. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, thank you for
Thank
your
you
time.
so much for your time.
Enjoy.
Next videos.
Okay, Miss, how do you do? I'm fine also. What is your name? My name is Nice to meet you too. And where do you Smartphone.
Sorry?
My pronunciation is it right or not?
What did you say?
They have it. Oh.
You mean iPhone on smartphone?
I just want to say this.
I wonder whether you said the type or another word.
Okay, Nick, and how long have you been here?
Just 3 hours.
3 hours. So
Here in Jakarta. First time.
How this is your first time?
Jakarta.
In Jakarta.
My husband, but I lost him.
Oh, you lost.
Oh, no, he's there. No, he's there. He's over there.
Where is he? Oh. Okay, so you found. I think this also is. Yes, yes, yes. I think there is also one. No, it's more marketing class and
For your English speaking class?
yes. Okay, so thank you. Because I learned in
Who's the teacher?
yes, good teacher. Okay, next question. What is your main objective of Indonesia? Do you have any
Well, it is two holidays. We come here because our Jakarta has Dutch roots, as we are Dutch. Very interested to see what is left of it.
what is left? Okay.
And this is left of it.
Yes. And the building is very green, you know.
Very nice.
Yes, Dutch style.
Yeah, but I saw it. We recognize this country.
Yes.
We just had lunch in Batavia. Batavia.
Okay.
With a Dutch speaking.
Good. Actually, I'm just a little awkward, you know.
It is a little awkward, isn't it? Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so what is it that you have visited in Indonesia?
What cities? Well, in Java we've been to Yogyakarta.
To Jakarta.
Yeah.
To Jakarta. Okay, nice.
And yeah, we did the Borobudur. And let's see. And tomorrow we'll be going to Bogor.
Bogor is my hometown.
Is it?
Yes. It is just nice because you have the beautiful botanical garden and there are also so many tourists to visit there. And most of
Where should we stay? Is there a nice hotel?
oh,
Where should we stay for hotel?
for hotel there is Santika ya, Santika Hotel. Santika Hotel is very near with botanical garden. I don't know because I never been
You
there.
never seen-
I never
you
stayed
don't
in
need to
that
stay there.
hotel. Yes, because my house is there.
Yeah, you don't need to stay in the hotel.
Yes, Santika Hotel is
Santika Hotel is
good.
good?
Yes, good.
Thank you. Afterwards we'll be going to Bandung.
Bandung also good. We're just like traveling, some visit Indonesia and well,
Well, that's where we're going. I think it's good. So,
yeah.
we've been to Bali. I've been very much.
Well, you have okay. Next question.
Next question.
Next question is what is your first impression when you arrived in Indonesia?
In Indonesia, well, in Jakarta.
Jakarta.
First impression, Jakarta it's much more developed than I thought. So, very good impression.
Very good impression.
Yeah, buildings are nice. It's clean, green. Up to what I've seen now. I've been here for 2 hours. So from the airport to this place, yeah, it's
Good. Good. Okay. And then, what do you think about the people? People
I
here,
think they're very nice.
very nice.
Very smiling.
Very smiling. Like me. And you're also very, I have a sufferer also. Just like, excuse me, madam, can I have your time? What? Can I have your time? No. Do you like the weather?
Yeah, I love the weather. It's a bit hot.
Hot.
Sometimes it's a bit hot.
Hot.
But I prefer it to hot.
But sometimes it's very, very hot.
I know sometimes it's
Yes.
You're doing very well.
Thank you.
Your previous friend was not so cool as you are. So,
Maybe they just couldn't school because I have a little cousin, so
oh, I see. That's a different level.
different level. Okay, so for the next,
Can you find the social functions, generic structure, and language features of descriptive text in those videos?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay, good. To make it clear, you can read more from these sources. Now, please pay attention in this dialogue.
Hello, excuse me, I'm Andita. Do you speak English?
I do. I'm moving. What can I do for that?
I'm sorry interrupt you. I am tourist from Indonesia. I want to go around and I think I need a partner. Do you want to be my partner?
Yes, I know this place very well.
That is cool. Thank you so much. I need a guide only for a day. So how much should I pay?
To spend $1.
Okay, no problem. Please give me your best, but
I will do my best.
thanks. So, what a place that we are going to start.
Or later we will arrive at Raffles Landing site. Have you ever heard about this place?
No, tell me.
The Raffles Landing site is the location where tradition holds this year.
What a great story. I can't wait to see it.
Okay, good. Now, dialogue 2 will be read by Khalifa and Putri. Khalifa as Tiara, Putri as Ben. Ya, jadi Khalifa sebagai Tiara, Putri sebagai Ben. Are you ready?
ready, Pak.
Okay, wait ya. Okay, please.
Yes, sir. You look confused. Is there anything I can do?
oh hi, yes, that is good. A bit lost, and no one here know English.
Yeah, what can I do?
I'm trying to visit the Merdeka, but I don't know where it is.
Oh, I'm heading there too. Maybe I can be your company.
Oh, yeah, sure. It's already built.
Yes, of course.
Oh, so this is the place?
Yes. Do you know how it features?
No, please tell me.
This is the historic building. It is also for the Asian African Conference. The first non-aligned movement that was held there in Vietnam. This building has a museum that is displaying lectures of the Asian African Conference.
Wow, a great one. Thank you so much.
It's on television.
Okay, good. Amazing. Now, text 1. Compare two dialogues above about their social function. Okay, please, Dewi.
The social function of descriptive text based of dialogue 1 is describe Raffles Landing site, while the social function of descriptive text based on the dialogue 2 is describe Asian African building.
Nice, Dewi. Good. This is for you, Dewi.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Hello, Putri. Please pay attention, ya. Your friend has answer number 1, Putri.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, number 2. Compare two dialogues above about their generic structure. Okay, please, Khalifa.
Generic structure descriptive text based on the dialogue 1 is identification. Descriptive text based on the dialogue 1 is identification. Descriptive text logic, data description, describing the lesson here. Some short travelers lesson and what did the doing on the dietary structure descriptive is based one one is Asian description describing the history
Wah,
building and the
Gusti, Masya Allah.
Okay, good. Very good, Khalifah. This is for you, Khalifah.
thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Now, number 3. Compare two dialogues above about their language features.
Me, sir. Language feature. Language feature of descriptive text based on the dialogue 1 is specific participant, adjective, use present tense, and action verb. While language features on the descriptive text based on the dialogue 2 is specific participant, adjective, use present tense, action verb.
Okay, good,
Uh,
Ganesh. Thank you.
yeah, thank you.
Very
Thank you
excellent.
too.
This is for you, Ganesh.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Now, text 2. Complete the dialogue below using the sentence in a box and then demonstrate these dialogues with your friend. Jadi, lengkapi dialog di bawah ini ya, menggunakan kalimat yang sudah ada di dalam kotak dan kemudian demonstrasikan kepada dialog tersebut dengan teman-temanmu. Ya, jadi ini dialognya ya. Ada Mr. X dan Diana. Ya. Oke. Now, who can answer? Number 1, please raise your hand. Okay, please Putri.
Hello, good morning.
Okay, good Putri. Okay, excellent. This is for you, Putri.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Now, number 2, who can answer number 2? Please raise your hand. Ya, siapa yang bisa jawab nomor 2? Angkat tangannya.
Mister,
Okay, Putri, please.
where do you come from, Mr. Alex?
Wow, amazing. That's good. Yeah. Nice. This is for you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Now number 3. Who can answer number 3? Please raise your hand. Siapa yang bisa jawab nomor 3?
A few moments later.
Me, sir.
Okay, please, Ganesh.
What do you like from Bali, sir?
Wow, great. Nice.
That's
This
really
is
good.
for you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Now number 4. Who can answer number 4? Please raise your hand. Yeah, please, Dewi.
Niku and the people are friendly.
Dewi, nice. This is for you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Now number 5. Please raise your hand.
Mister,
Okay, please, Khalifa.
about twice.
Wow, great. Okay, good. This is for you.
Thank
You're welcome. Now number 6. Please raise your hand. Who can answer number 6?
Mister,
Okay, Putri, please.
there is the biggest statue there.
Wow, good. Great. Okay, this is for you. Good. Nice. Okay. You're welcome. Now, please demonstrate this text.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning.
May I talk with you for a while, sir?
Of course.
I am Diana from Bogor, Java. What is your name?
My name is Alexander. You can call me Alex.
Where do you come from, Mr. Alex?
I come from Australia.
Do you like to visit Bali, sir?
Of course, Bali is so beautiful.
Except the scenery, what do you like from Bali, sir?
I like the culture of Bali. It is very unique and the people are friendly.
How many do you come here, sir?
About twice.
I suggest you to visit Garuda Wisnu Kencana too, sir.
Is it good?
Of course. Of course, sir. There's a biggest tattoo there.
All right, I will come. There are soon as possible.
Thank you for your time, sir. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hi. That's really very fucking nice. Very freaking nice. I kind of like that.
Good.
Great.
Great. This for both of you.
Okay, thank you. sir.
Okay, you're welcome.
But I just using one SIM card because iPhone wasn't can.
Okay,
That's
can
really
sell
freaking
it.
annoying.
You can sell it.
Oh yeah, I can sell it to my friend if she wants, or if she doesn't want, I will keep it.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, please, Dewi.
the it's text which said with person or a thing like social functions that a particular person, thing or place. Generic structure of descriptive text are identification and description. The language feature of this text are speculative participant. The as of the adjective to clarify the noun. The use of simple present tense and action verb.
Okay, good. Yep, I agree with you. So, to find which one tourist attractions that more interesting, we must compare that. Jadi, kalau kita mau mencari tempat wisata yang bagus, ya kita harus membandingkannya gitu ya dengan tempat wisata-wisata yang lain. Seperti itu. So, the conclusion of this learning is descriptive text is a text which says what a person or a thing is like. Social function of descriptive text is to describe a particular person, things, or place. Generic structure of descriptive text are identification and description. The language features of descriptive text are specific participant, the use of the adjective to clarify the noun, the use of simple present tense, and action verb. So, to find which one tourist attraction that more interesting, we must compare that. It means we must compare. Jadi kita bandingkan ya antara tempat wisata yang satu dengan tempat wisata yang lainnya ya, sehingga kita mengetahui mana tempat wisata yang lebih menarik ya, kurang lebih seperti itu ya. Jadi itu adalah kesimpulan dari pembelajaran kita hari ini. Oke. Now, please give your opinion about this teaching learning process in Google Classroom. Ya, jadi silakan beri opini kalian ya tentang pembelajaran hari ini di Google Classroom ya. Oke.
A few moments later.
Okay, now I will give you assignment. Make 2 conversation with your friends about tourist attraction and historical buildings in your town. Jadi, nanti Bapak akan memberikan tugas kepada kalian ya, buatlah 2 percakapan dengan teman kalian tentang tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah di kota kalian. And then compare its social function, language features, and generic structure of the text. Jadi nanti percakapan tersebut kalian bandingkan ya mengenai fungsi sosial percakapan itu, kemudian unsur kebahasaannya, dan juga dari struktur teksnya. Ya, jadi nanti kalian bandingkan ya untuk 2 teks yang telah kalian buat gitu ya. Seperti itu. Oke?
A few moments later.
And the material in the next meeting is announcement. Jadi materi yang akan datang adalah announcement.
12 seconds later.
Okay, I think enough for today. Thank you for your attention. Before we close the lesson, let's pray to Allah by saying Hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Thank you for your attention.
Alhamdulillah. Thank
See you
you
next
too, sir.
time. Goodbye.
See you next time too. Goodbye too.
Okay.